Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope everyone is good. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Today we are going to start a new topic that is from English grammar. Topic number 22, am is an are. So we will read here where the am is and are is used. First we will clear the one thing. We have to learn this where we should use am is and are. We use am with I. We should always use am with I. हम lightly ऐसे लिखते हैं ना, I am a boy, okay, I have pet. I have आएगा तो अलग हो जाता है, लेकिन हमारे लिए कभी भी हमें am के लिए I लगाना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. We use is with he, she, it and naming words that stand for one. So students, where we will use is word when it is all about he, she and it, naming words and that stands for one. अगर singular words आ रहे हैं, एक ही person आ रहा है, he, she use कर रहे हैं, तो हमें उनके लिए is लगाना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो हमारा sentence proper way में दिखेगा ही नहीं. We use are with we, you, they and naming words for stands for many. Okay. आर हम तब यूज़ करेंगे, वी हैव टू यूज़ आर व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट वी, यू, दे एंड देयर इज़ अ वर्ड विच स्टैंड्स फॉर मैनी. हम आर कभी यूज़ करेंगे जब वी, यू, दे ऐसे वर्ड्स आएंगे ना, और फिर अगर दो जन मतलब वन से ज़्यादा है, दो जन, तो अब उनके लिए हम आर यूज़ करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स जस्ट कीप दिस इन अ माइंड. एम विथ आई हमें यूज़ करना है, ईज कभी यूज़ करना है, ही, शी, इट या फिर एक जन का जो नेमिंग वर्ड्स आ रहा है तभी हमें ईज यूज़ करना है. और आर का भी यूज़ करना है वेर वी हैव टू यूज़ दिस वी, यू एंड दे, और कोई भी एक से ज़्यादा हो. सो वी हैव टू यूज़ दैट आर. एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द टेबल इटसेल्फ, आई, okay, am, he, she, it or naming words that stand for one is, and we, you, they naming words that stand for many तो आर आएगा. सिंपल वे में अगर आपको समझाओ ना, तो अगर एक जन का सिर्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन हो रहा है ना तो वी हैव टू यूज़ इज, और एक से ज़्यादा का डिस्क्रिप्शन हो रहा है तो वी हैव टू यूज़ आर, और हम हमारे लिए स्पीक कर रहे हैं तो वी हैव टू यूज़ एम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल रीड दी एक्सरसाइज हियर. Read this story given. Underline the words am, is and are in this story. Now they have described here where am, is and are used. So we have to underline the words. Okay. हमें underline करना है am, is and are words क्योंकि story already हम लोग ने दे चुके हैं. तो आपको according to the story you will come to know कि is किधर आता है, am किधर आता है and are किधर आता है. The first is, my name is Rahul. Okay, the name of the boy is Rahul and the Rahul is one. That's why they have used is. So we have to underline that. I am 6 years old. Now what he is speaking here, I am 6 years old. वो अपने बारे में बोल रहा है. That's why I am. Okay, so we have to underline the am. My mother is a teacher. Now what his mother is doing, his mother is a teacher. तो वो भी मदर भी एक है, वन है, मदर इज़ अ टीचर ना. ऐसा नहीं बोला ना माई मदर इज़ समथिंग एल्स, या फिर माई आंटी इज़ आंट एंड मदर इज़ अ टीचर, तो इज़ नहीं आएगा, माई आंट एंड मदर आर अ टीचर आएगा क्योंकि बोथ के बारे में डिस्क्राइब हो रहा है. लेकिन यहाँ पर ओनली वन डिस्क्राइब हो रहा है, तो वी विल यूज़ दी इज़ वर्ड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so moving further, my father is a doctor. Now again what his father is doing, his father is a doctor. Father is only one, he is speaking about only his father. So we have to underline is, and that's why is word is used. They are very good at work. Now as you can see, there is a use of an are. Why are word is used? Because they have described the two person. हमने आर क्यों यूज़ किए? क्योंकि दे आर, दे आया है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और वो दो जन के बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. ओके, वन से ज़्यादा हुए और दे आया है. ओके, ऑलरेडी हैव टोल्ड यू ना, वी, यू, दे आएगा तो हमें क्या करना है, आर वर्ड यूज़ करना है. तो दे आर वेरी गुड एट वर्क, सो वी हैव अंडरलाइन दी आर वर्ड. Rohan is my pet dog. Now Rover is my pet dog. Now who is Rover here? Is dog here, and his pet dog name is Rover, and Rover is only one. Okay, one dog hai, so that's why they have used is word. He is white in color. And again, what Rohar is one and what the color of the dog is white. So we have used is, and there is a word like he also. Okay, हमने क्या बोले थे is के लिए, he, she, it के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे is word. Okay, और जो भी single stand करते हैं. That's why we have used the is word. He is quite big. Now who is quite big? Rover. Okay, rover one है and again they have used the is word. So he word तो हमें क्या करना है? is लगाना है. Then on Sunday we are all at home. Now on Sunday we are all at one. Again देखो he we word आया, we आया तो मतलब one से ज़्यादा हो गया. So we have to use the are word. I like it when we are all together. What the Rahul is telling here, he like it when they are all together. Again, the we word is there, right? So that's why we have used the are word. क्यों उन्होंने we word use किए? क्योंकि वो एक से ज़्यादा है, तो they have used the we word. और we word और एक से ज़्यादा रहे तो we have to use the are word. So students, did you understand the concept of am, is and are? हमें am कब use करना है? I के साथ. ईज का भी यूज़ करना है, ही शी आता है या सिर्फ वन पर्सन का डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है तो हमें ईज यूज़ करना है. और हमें आर का भी यूज़ करना है, वी, यू, दे आया तो हमें आर यूज़ करना है, और एक से ज़्यादा रहे तभी हमें आर यूज़ करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. As they have given you some examples, you have to read these sentences so you can understand where the am, he, matlab she, okay, and is and are words are used more clearly. What is the first sentence about? I am a student. Okay, what is she is telling here? I am a student. So again, the I am and word is used. Whenever I is there, we have to use the am word. The second is he is a driver. Now the driver is the one and he is talking about the one driver. Okay, so again he word is used, so that's why we have used the is word. And the last is they are policemen. As you can see from the picture itself, where there are two policemen, right? They are standing two. And they have used the word they. So because of this they and the two policemen are there, we have to use the are word. Okay, they word आया ही है और one से ज़्यादा policemen है तो हमें are करना है. So moving to the exercise. Write am, is or are in the blanks. What we have to do? They have given here the pictures, okay, and they have given here the sentences. So we have to choose that according to the pictures and according to the sentences. We have to put the am, is or are in the blanks. So what is the first one is already given here. It is a hot day today. So the what a boy is doing here. So what we have read already, we have to use is when there is a word like he, she and it. So from the first itself it. So it is a hot day today. One boy is standing. Okay. So we will write here is. The second is the fruits are in the basket. Okay. Where the fruits are in the basket. Now why I have used here are? Because they have mentioned here fruits. Okay, अगर one fruit रहता तो हम is लिख देते, right? But they have mentioned fruits. S लगा दिए मतलब बहुत सारे हैं. So that's why we have to write here A-R-E-R. The third one is he dash a doctor. Now doctor is a one and what we have learned, he आएगा या one person आएगा तो we have to use is. Now he is a doctor. Fourth one is now she dash a dancer. Now as you can see from the picture as well, the girl is one and the she word is used. She be word used by girl one hand. So what we will write here, she is a dancer. So the fifth year is you dash very tall. So from the picture itself you can come to know they have talking about the you. Okay, and the two persons are there. So what we will use here, if you word is there, what we have to use are A-R-E-R. So from this sixth, V dash soldier. Now V, again V word is used, and from the picture you can see here it is more than one. So what we will use here? We are. Okay, V word भी यूज़ हुआ है और पिक्चर से भी लग रहा है कि एक से ज़्यादा है. So हमें R word यूज़ करना है. The seventh is the wolf said to the Red Riding Hood, I dash your grandmother. As you have already read the story of an Red Riding Hood, right? So what the wolf is telling you, I dash your grandmother. Now what I have told you, I आएगा तो हमें क्या लगाना है? Am. So we will write here, I am your grandmother. Okay. So moving to the eighth one. What is a boy is doing here? He is eating chocolate. So we will see a dash fond of chocolate. Again the I word is used. What we have to do? Am. Again I word use हुआ है तो हमें क्या करना है? Am word write कर देना है. And the last is, you can see there is a grandma and he's sitting with his two grandchildren. So the ninth one is the story dash over. So as you can see there are three peoples and you will assume कि नहीं हमें आर लगा देना है. नहीं, द स्टोरी दिया हुआ है. अगर स्टोरीज देते तो हम आर लगा देते. द स्टोरी, वो एक ही स्टोरी सुना रहे थे, वो फिनिश हो गई है. सो हमें क्या इधर पुट करना है? इज. द स्टोरी इज ओवर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड where we have to use am, is and are word? So till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.